I forgot one more thing. I forgot about this little tricky trick that goes with adjectives and comparing nouns, okay? When you are using an adjective to compare a noun, if that adjective has 3 or more syllables, not the noun, if the adjective has 3 or more syllables, you have to add more or most to the front of it. You add more if you would have added ER. You add most if you would have added EST. For example, if I have the adjective colorful, colorful has 3 or more syllables because colorful, so there's 3 syllables in there. I'm not going to say that something is colorfuler or something is colorfulest. I will say either more colorful or most colorful. Okay, so if there's 3 or more syllables, make sure you do not add the ER or the EST. You add more or most. Okay, thank you.